is Michaela Scott, and I, along with my co-counsel, Rachel Vesey and Akila Triggs, represent Marion Roberts today. Allow me to take us back to the afternoon of August 28, 2012, an afternoon like no other for the 76ers marching band members. This was the last time for them to practice together before the game that one deserving student, one deserving senior, would receive a full scholarship to UGA.
Well, this particular case that we have this year is about civil. It's a civil case, and it involves a student who was injured on campus as a result of being dehydrated after the teacher advised him that he'd have to run and keep running until they told him to stop. Every year in mock trial you have a different type of pattern, fact pattern case. This year is civil, last year was criminal. So what we have and what you're seeing now is you're seeing the students act out their parts. We have 3 attorneys on the plaintiff side, 3 attorneys on the defendant side. The plaintiff in this case is, of course, the injured student, and the defendant in the case is actually the teacher, the band director that was monitoring and supervising the student.
Let the record reflect that now showing the opposing counsel is marked to Exhibit 7. May I approach the witness? You may.
Today I'm just acting as the judge while we go through one of our final practices, but myself and Miss Lindsay are the coaches for the Newton County High School team.
How important do you think this is for the kids in high school?
I think it's very important. It's the first opportunity that a lot of students have to really be able to understand what it is that attorneys do, or at least criminal attorneys do. And it also teaches them skills of organization, of being able to put their thoughts on paper, but then to communicate that with other people, and also gives them a way to sort of showcase that in a setting where they're working with their peers to be able to present a case to a real jury, which is a really neat thing.
And then we also have our local rules that are in place that are more strict than the state rules.
Did you use any of these precautions on August 28th?
Most definitely. I'm sorry.
Did you use any of these precautions on August 28th, 2012?
Most definitely. On August 28th, just as we do on every day when we have our outdoor activities, what we do is we do